Okay, so what's happening, Graham?
I'm trying to sort this tap out
Yeah.
for the drinking water,
Yes.
but everything's working. The pump seems to be sticking,
Okay.
so I don't know if it'll do it. You can go and have a look here. Yeah, sometimes it'll work and stop. No, it's not working now.
Yeah.
But what I do is I tap it like that.
We built out a camper van, a Boxer, 2004, to go traveling through South Africa.
Ja, alles daar zo. Kom laat even mee kom.
I'm an artist and Graham still works part-time, so we travel when we can. We've had the most amazing trips so far, local and further out.
Subscribe to see more. And tap it like that. It might go bzzzt.
Yeah,
See?
hardly.
So I need to take it off
Yes.
and see if I can loosen the impeller or something up here, because it's really tight now.
Yeah.
It's not working nice at all.
Oh, okay.
I can't even turn this thing here.
Is it
That's
because
the impeller in there.
it's been sitting in water?
I don't know what it is. Just got very tight.
Okay.
And if it's out and I try it, it goes hot.
Oh.
So that means the motor's labouring.
What's happening with our lives so far? Where are we at? Explain where we're at right now.
We're at our home at the moment. In our home. No, at the moment we sort of just doing little minor repairs and fixes uppers that we can, because I retire at the end of this month coming September, and we want to be 100% sure that everything's right by the time we leave. And we are going to go to a caravan park. We're going to park there and see what this is about all at once for a month or two. And then after that, we're going to my son-in-law's wedding. And then after that, we want to go through to Natal, to my daughter-in-law as well's place. And we'll probably stay there about a week or two, and then from there we'll start our jaunting all the way down the east coast, the wild coast, wild side. And then it's going to be like that. We will be able to go on the wild side.
You taught you to do this.
That's a moosey one. There's a little impeller in there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see the impeller with the light.
Oh, yeah.
There's an impeller there, a white one.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can see it.
It's a big impeller here, but that's where it sucks the water in on this.
Okay.
Oh, it might spin now,
Oh.
but it'll just go bzzz. Nope, didn't even do it. It just gets hot.
Can't wait to get into our Jaunti. Yeah, it's going to be a small space, but we have got in our minds traveling and enjoying life, and that's what it's going to be about.
Okay, so what I did was I opened that little pump and I found the motor inside. It's all rusted and it doesn't want to turn. So yeah, I'm going to have to get another little pump thing going here. This one don't work no more.
Okay,
It's fast, I can't even turn it.
okay,
It's spinning in my hand, I can't turn it.
okay.
So that's the problem.
All right. Graham's been fixing lights.
Yeah. Show you that's the bedroom light at the back.
Yeah.
Off.
It's on.
Wrong one. Off.
Yeah.
On. The backlights by the heads and tails are working. And this is just the ones under every cupboard.
Yeah.
And this one is the total blackout.
Okay.
Okay, so what we've done is we've been working on the lights and everything and tried to get the water pump working, but it's really finished there. So I'm going to have to get another pump. Subscribe, like it, share and comment. We'd like some comments. And we'll see you on the flip side. Have a happy day. Bye.